Got a gutter installation service and you're looking for a professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your gutter installation service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, gutter installation service. Now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to put in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let MultiSites generate a website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images, and maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content to make it a little bit more personalized to your business, tell your customers a bit more about your story and how your business came to be. You don't need to know any coding to make any changes or be very tech savvy. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address, and I want that visible on my website so customers can easily reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here, and that is click to call, by the way. Your address, your physical location, maybe your mobile, but if you have a physical location, pop it in over here. Customers can easily find your physical location. When your website's live, they can actually click on this address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo, head on over to the next section and upload it over here. Once your logo's been uploaded, you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil. Otherwise, save it. Here on the right is where we can make the logo bigger and smaller. With MultiSites, we've pre-selected the colors for you. They're pretty neutral, but if you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various colors, scroll through, and choose one that suits your business best. Now, for each section, you want to make amendments, so it's super easy. Just click on update section directly underneath it. And update image is where you can upload your own images from your device or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. And you also have the option, if you have an Instagram profile, to connect it with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images. Under update action, we can change those buttons where what the text is on them, change the text, as well as where they're linked. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file with more details about your rates and services. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can reach out, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard, as well as get notified by your registered email as new leads come in. Super handy for you to keep track of all those customers trying to reach out. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet and you'd like to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, click on that button as well. You have the option to purchase one through the platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.